Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. March 25, 2026. Today's important news includes Russia launches first Starlink rival satellites. OpenAI shuts Sora. Disney ends partnership. Alibaba unveils new agentic AI chip. And Palantir build missile shield software. OpenAI backs Isara for AI collaboration. Now, let's start the main text.
1.
Russia has launched its first 16 broadband satellites for the Rasvet project, marking a shift from experimental tests to the active deployment of a domestic Starlink rival. Developed by Bureau 1440, the system aims to provide global internet connectivity and ensure digital sovereignty by reducing dependence on Western communication networks. The project targets a constellation of over 250 satellites by 2027 and potentially 900 by 2035, though it currently faces significant manufacturing and launch pressures.
2.
OpenAI has unexpectedly decided to shut down its Sora AI video platform, leading Disney to terminate a high-profile partnership involving over 200 iconic characters. The closure marks a significant setback for the commercialization of generative video and reflects the complex challenges of copyright governance and business modeling in the film industry. OpenAI reportedly plans to pivot the underlying technology toward internal research and the development of agentic systems for robotics training.
3.
Munich-based startup Interloom has raised $16.5 million to solve the tacit knowledge gap by capturing unrecorded employee expertise for AI agents. The company utilizes a context graph to map real-world problem-solving paths from millions of operational records, significantly improving the accuracy of enterprise automation. Having already demonstrated success with major clients like Commerzbank and Volkswagen, Interloom aims to provide the essential organizational context that general AI models often lack.
4.
Alibaba has unveiled its next-generation Xiantai C950 processor, a 5nm RISC-V chip specifically designed to power the era of agentic AI. The new processor is reportedly 3 times faster than its predecessor and serves as the hardware foundation for Alibaba's ecosystem of enterprise AI agents and cloud systems. By leveraging the open-source RISC-V architecture, Alibaba aims to strengthen its domestic chip design capabilities and reduce its reliance on external licensing while optimizing for specific AI inference workloads.
5.
Anduril Industries and Palantir Technologies are collaborating to develop the core software for the Golden Dome missile defense system, a $185 billion initiative pushed by the U.S. government. This software functions as a sophisticated, nervous system that integrates data from satellites and radars to track and intercept ballistic and hypersonic threats in real time. The project signifies a shift in defense procurement toward AI-driven decision-making and rapid software iteration, with prototype testing scheduled for the summer of 2026.
6.
Scientists are utilizing AI and satellite remote sensing to detect subtle ground movements that precede deadly landslides and avalanches, transforming disaster prediction into early risk identification. Systems like SafeRisks integrate multiple data sources, such as rainfall and radar imagery, to provide near real-time risk maps for vulnerable communities in regions like Nepal. Beyond long-term monitoring, these AI tools are also being tested for real-time avalanche detection and post-disaster assessment to expedite rescue efforts.
7.
Former Apple designer Abhijit Chaudhry has joined the secretive startup Hark to develop a next-generation AI interface that moves beyond traditional apps and chat boxes. Founded by Brett Adcock with $100 million in initial funding, Hark aims to build end-to-end, personal intelligence products where hardware, sensors, and AI models are designed together from the ground up. The company seeks to create a more natural, proactive digital assistant inspired by science fiction, leveraging a team of experts from Apple, Meta, and Tesla.
8.
Founded by former SpaceX engineers, SIFStack is an industrial software company that adapts rocket testing data infrastructure for use on the factory floor. The platform manages massive volumes of sensor data, enabling manufacturing, aerospace, and energy firms to organize and analyze hardware telemetry for AI-driven automation. Following a $42 million Series B funding round, SIFStack is positioning itself as a critical data operating system for the increasingly software-defined physical world.
9.
Google Research has unveiled TurboQuant, a new algorithm that can compress an AI model's working memory by at least 6 times without sacrificing accuracy. By significantly reducing the memory requirements of the key value, KV, cache, the technology can boost inference speeds by up to 8 times on high-end GPUs, like the H100. This breakthrough is seen as a potential Pied Piper-like solution for the AI industry, as it promises to lower deployment costs and enable the handling of much larger contexts on existing hardware.
10.
Figma has launched a beta version of its Model Context Protocol (MCP) server, allowing AI coding agents to directly access and manipulate design files. This integration enables agents to generate and edit design assets within established brand constraints, bridging the gap between design and development workflows. By providing a structured skills mechanism, Figma ensures that AI-driven iterations remain consistent with a team's specific design systems and organizational best practices. 11. X-Memory is a new retrieval framework designed to reduce token costs and eliminate context bloat in long-term AI agent interactions. Unlike traditional RAG, it organizes interactive history into a 4-level semantic hierarchy and uses an uncertainty gating mechanism to retrieve only the most evidence-dense information. This structured approach allows agents to maintain a comprehensive memory across multiple sessions while significantly improving efficiency and response quality.
12.
The transition to liquid-cooled AI systems is exposing the limitations of traditional storage architectures, which struggle to meet the power and thermal demands of high-density GPU clusters. As servers move away from air cooling, storage components must be redesigned for liquid-cooled environments to prevent them from becoming performance bottlenecks. Industry leaders emphasize that future storage solutions must evolve beyond mere capacity to focus on performance per watt and system-level thermal efficiency to keep up with next-generation AI workloads. 13. OpenAI is backing a new startup called Isara, which focuses on developing software that enables thousands of AI agents to collaborate as a multi-agent digital society. Founded by former OpenAI researchers, the company aims to move beyond single-model capabilities to solve complex problems in fields like finance and biotechnology through autonomous division of labor. This investment highlights a broader industry shift toward agent orchestration and the automation of complex, multi-step workflows.